Hey my friends. In this tutorial I'm showing how to permanently remove activate Windows. Go to settings to activate Windows watermark in Windows 11 and 10. Okay. Let me start. Click on search. Type in Regedit. Click on Run as administrator. Here click to expand. HKUI_local_machine. Click to expand the system. Click to expand the current control set. Expand services. Now move down to find SVSVC. Move to this side. Right-click on the start. Select Modify. Here in Value Data change it to 4. Click on OK. Now restart the computer. After that, you will no longer see Activate Windows watermark. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice time.